Welcome to Chart Detective, where we let the charts speak for themselves. In today's presentation, we'll be looking at nano nuclear energy. We had recently reviewed the stock, but it has performed extremely well within the past couple of weeks. So we think it's a good idea to review it again because it had went beyond its all-time high, beyond our expectation, because we had predicted that the stock would have made an all-time high, but it did so already. So we have to take another look at it. So last time we looked at the stock, it was trading at $26.84. And this was our prediction. We predicted that the stock would go beyond $40. So this was our prediction. And this is exactly what happened. Stock went as high as $48 last Friday. So far for 2025, stock has made a new all-time high and is up by about 80% for the year so far. And since the last time we reviewed the stock, it's up about 75%. Not bad of a return. Let's take a closer look. So on Thursday, we saw that the stock made a new all-time high, and that specific candle is what they refer to in Japanese candlestick as Murobuzo open. Why? Because the opening price is the same as the lowest price, meaning that the stock never traded below its opening price. That's a very bullish indication for the stock. So that's why we expect the stock to go even higher. Not only that, when you look at those three candles in Japanese candlesticks, those candles are referred to as three white soldiers. Usually these three candles are important because if you've seen them in an uptrend, it means that the uptrend will continue. How do we know these are three white soldiers? If we look at the second candle, it opens within the body of the first candle, and the third candle opens within the body of the second candle. So that's an indication that the bulls are very strong and the market, the stock should continue to go higher within the near future. The last four trading days, the stock went up by as much as 65%. We think that's a little bit excessive and there should be a pullback. And the stock made an all-time high at $48 and stopped right there and pulled a little down from there. Why? Because we have a strong resistance right there. So we expect the stock to pull further down from there to give an opportunity to those of you who do not own the stocks yet. If you want to buy it, that would be a great time for you to get in and buy yourself some of it. So we think that pullback will bring the stock down to about $36. It may move down a little bit lower after that. So we have a support line here, and the stock may move down further above $32 because that was a previous all-time high serving as support. It was resistance before, now it's support. From there, we think the stock will shoot all the way up to make a new all-time high. How do we know how far it will go? The same resistance line we saw earlier should tell us how much higher the stock should go.